हॅलो नमस्ते अस्सलाम वालेकुम सत श्री अकाल केम छो केड़ो हाल है आणि कसं काय मंडळी. मैं हूँ गायत्री नायक, आपकी कोरियोग्राफर, होस्ट और दोस्त, और आज के सोमवार के सुविचार में आप सभी का स्वागत है. Alright guys, we are coming to the end of the series where today we pick the last and the final point, which is presenting yourself well. For people who don't know what I'm talking about, यहाँ पे कहीं पे ना आ जाएगा. We discussed earlier 5 tips and tricks that an aspiring host or anchor should do, that are the basic requirements according to my opinion. Okay, so that is what we've been working on, and this is the end of that particular series. आगे नया कुछ आने वाला है, so please stay tuned. Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about presenting yourself well. Alright, एवरी टाइम सब लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि आई एम एन होस्ट, तो हमारा मतलब बोलने का तरीका या हमारे जो सैम्पल्स है, वीडियो सैम्पल्स वगैरह, दैट वर्क्स वेल फॉर अस. बट ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, जब भी आप अपने क्लाइंट के पास जा रहे हो या किसी ऑडिशन के लिए जा रहे हो फॉर एज एन एंकर और अ होस्ट, they do not see your samples or something first. Alright, that is not what creates an impression of you to them. It creates an image of you for them. Alright, अब आप बोलोगे ये क्या, impression image सब सेम चीज तो है, ठीक है, but impression is they understand your vibe. क्या उनको समझ में आता है कि आप कितने सीरियस हो या आप कितने नॉट सो सीरियस हो ये पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन को लेके या ये काम को लेके, ठीक है. वेर इन इमेज इज उनका एक मेंटल परसेप्शन बन गया है आपके बारे में कि अच्छा ये इंसान ऐसे ऐसे होस्टिंग करता है, दिस इज हिज और हर जैम. ओके, बट इम्प्रेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड बहुत लेमैन या बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉमन आपने सुना रहेगा that your first impression is your last impression, and which is what I am going to try and explain to you guys today, कि your first impression starts right from what you are wearing. Okay, I'm not even kidding about this, but literally आप जब पहले enter करते हो, you smiling or you giving out that energy, उसके पहले they see your clothes, बाकी सब चीज फॉलो अप पैरेलली चलती है. राइट नाउ इफ आई एंटर अ रूम विद एज अ हाफ शॉर्ट्स या अ वेरी बैगी टी शर्ट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट टू एन ऑडिशन और समथिंग, there are chances the person who is in the panel or your client may think यार is he or she not serious about what we are doing or क्या चल रहा है. So at least when you meet them for the first time, make sure you wear a good pair of clothes. Alright, it can be normal basic casual clothing भी चलेगा, but wear like a nice fitted jeans, उसके साथ shirt, and if you have a habit of wearing accessories, make sure it is very minimal because आपका first meet है उनके साथ, आप पहले बार मिल रहे हो उनको, ठीक है. So keep it minimalist, very minimalist. If you are going out, don't wear too loud colors, but do not wear like even sad colors. Wear some subtle colors, pastel colors, and let's say light shade of colors make a very good formal impression. But if you want to go on the brighter side, brighter side भी थोड़े subtle ऐसे चिल्ला के बाहर आ रहे हैं, जैसे मैंने अभी पहना है ये, राइट, ये थोड़ा ऐसे चिल्ला के बाहर आ रहा है कि यो आई एम पिंक कलर ऐसे. सो ये चीज़ें आप जब फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन करने चाहते हो तभी अच्छी नहीं रहती, बिकॉज इट कम्स आउट आइदर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. पॉजिटिव कैन बी के ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा एंथुजियास्टिक और एनर्जेटिक पर्सन है. नेगेटिव कैन बी दिस पर्सन इज ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. ऑलराइट, so we do not want to give them any sort of dominant vibe. We want to give them a very subtle vibe. Okay, I'm here, I'm out here, this is what I'm, ये मेरा hosting technique है, ये है ऐसा है वैसा. So whatever it is, make sure that it comes across as a very subtle way. I'd say there are different forms of clothes that you can wear. You can wear Indian, you can wear Western, you can wear Indo-Western, you can wear corporate formals. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप पहन सकते हो, but make sure the colors you choose are correct. the type of dressing you do is correct. Alright, अभी आप अगर पकड़ लो एक वन पीस पहन रहे हो, ठीक है, make sure you are not wearing something that makes you uncomfortable. If you're wearing a short, even if you are wearing a short one piece, this is for women. Alright, if you're wearing a short one piece, make sure it is not uncomfortable for you. आपको ऐसे fidget ऐसे 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 नहीं करना है, ठीक है, बिकॉज इफ यू आर अनकंफर्टेबल यू मेक द अदर पर्सन अनकंफर्टेबल और फिर वो पूरा ऐसे मैसअप हो जाता है, ठीक है. सो वील मेक श्योर दैट you guys wear comfortable clothes. Jumpsuits are a go-to corporate thing, and trust me, they are fun also. Alright, if you're like wearing a printed floral printed jumpsuit, उसके ऊपर एक plain jacket या कुछ डाल दिया, works well. Alright, for men I can say nice formal pants, any color, I mean, yeah. And ऊपर चाहिए तो you can wear like a nice shirt that is tucked in with a good belt or something like that. So this is on the Western clothing section. For Indian clothing section, I can say women, you have a lot of options. Wear nice palazzo pants with nice kurta or like a full length anarkali or something like a Lucknowi or anything like that. Do not wear something that I am wearing currently, okay? But इसमें अगर subtle color है, जैसे अगर एक pastel pink color है या ऐसा कुछ है, this works well. Okay, but थोड़ा subtle colors वगैरह है तो it goes really nice. Alright, and for men in Indian section I can say that there are these short kurtas that come, artist short kurtas बोलते हैं उनको, that is what I know of. So those kind of short kurtas और like a full length kurta, तो फिर नीचे jeans अगर पहन रहे हो तो fitted jeans पहनो, because your kurta will be as it is थोड़ा loose. Okay, और wear proper kurta pajama, ठीक है, and these are the things that will make you look very presentable in both the ways. And try to make sure that you do not wear overpowering clothes. Alright, so this is what it is. Also make sure whenever you go ahead, wear good footwear also. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि मैचिंग पहनो, ये करो वो करो, बट वेयर गुड फुटवेयर. ऑलराइट, ऐसा कहीं से वो जूते में से ऐसा टेपर हो रहा है लेदर या मे बी वट एवर दैट थिंग इज मेड ऑफ या वट एवर, ऐसे ऐसे मत पहनो. अगर चप्पल टूटी फूटी है या ऐसा कुछ मत पहनो प्लीज. ऑलराइट, डोंट वेयर uncomfortable shoes or heels or anything. Make sure whatever you're wearing is comfortable to you. Okay, so this is what it is when I say you present yourself well. It's all coming to clothing and all of that. Obviously your makeup and all also has to work well with whatever you're wearing. Don't make it loud, make it really subtle, and trust me guys, subtle is the way to go. Obviously आप जब proper anchoring करोगे या hosting करोगे event की, तभी शायद according to lights and stage you might have a louder makeup and a louder outfit. But when you're going to meet the person, that time, or I mean meet the person as in meet your client, that time make sure to wear like a really nice subtle clothing. Okay, so this is what it is, and I think I'm gonna end my journey on 5 tips today here. And I hope you all had a really good time, and I hope it was informative and you guys had a lot of fun. Coming up next is another amazing topic, and I'm going to keep you guys in secret because I want you all to stay tuned, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description below. And this is your choreographer, hosting those Gayatri Nayak, signing off.